How to save voice message on Messenger. So go open your browser as there are features not available on the Messenger app itself. I am going to Safari, type in facebook.com and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the address bar and type basic right after the M. It will become mbasic.facebook.com. Now we will be directed to the old Facebook page. Tap on the messages. This page will show you all of your chats. Choose the conversation where your voice message is sent. Tap on the voice message and this pop-up will show. Hit download and then it will be downloaded to your Files app. So that is how you save voice message on Messenger. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.